Okay, I just came from the post office and pick up 2 packages. We are doing a commercial cooperation with EGO, and let's find out what there is. I'm as eager as groom on a wedding night. Little violence. EGO CSX5000 battery saw. 56 volts. I hope it is as powerful as my 550. 50cm bar, 20 inches, and a chain, of course. Okay, let's put this together and see what does it look like. I think I have the batteries in the next box. Oh, quite a heavy one. And another. And a charger. Quite an interesting new. You should use gloves. Forgive me. I think at least this one is quite normal or familiar. And please use the gloves. some chain oil. I hope there is some electricity in the batteries so we can try on. Fine looking. Wow, it's working. Hey, there's a light. Never seen in a chainsaw. That kind of. Okay, I think I have to read the manual how to operate this. There is some text and I have to learn what does they mean. But anyway, this is going to go in real work and we will see how it works.